Do you know how big channels create viral, monetizable short videos like quiz shorts, AI story shorts, viral AI history videos, fake text videos, and many more? Get ready, because in this video, I'll reveal the secret to their success using the best AI tool in the market, which can do it all with just one click. Take a look at a sample video to see what this tool is capable of.
Have you ever wondered how cats earned their royal status in ancient Egypt? Originating from wild African ancestors over 4,000 years ago, cats were domesticated in ancient Egypt for their prowess in hunting and protecting food stores from pests. Cats were revered as sacred animals, symbolizing protection, fertility, and power.
The name of the tool is VSub. This is just one feature of this tool, which can make far more amazing videos for multiple niches. Normally, it takes a lot of time, expertise, and tools to make a video that can go viral. But with the help of VSub, you can do it in seconds. Let me show you how. After opening VSub, simply click on Login and log in with your Google account. It's that simple. Now you will land on this interface. Check out the features. First, VSub can generate auto captions for you. You can also create Reddit story videos, would you rather videos, AI videos for any niche, like the ones I teach, fake text videos, and in the end, quiz videos. Let's start with would you rather videos. Currently, only YouTube Shorts mode is available, but the standard mode is coming soon, which will enable you to make long videos and earn big money. Now, simply click on Settings, and from here you can select 11 Labs Premium voiceover for your video. There is a list of all the voices. You can simply choose the one you like. Then click on Questions, and then click on Generate Questions, and it will automatically start generating content for you. It will take a few seconds, and when the questions are ready, simply click on Continue, and your video creation will start automatically. Here, our video is also ready. Now you can simply add copyright-free background music from here as well. Just click on the music you want to use and reduce the volume from here. Then click here to download it. I will play it for 10 seconds so you can see the results.
Day without your phone, or spend a day without food. Sleep in a haunted house, or sleep in a cemetery. Give up social media, or give up watching TV. Eat only spicy food for a month, or eat only bland food for a month.
I literally have no words. Now let's head to the main feature, AI videos. After you come to this page, you can select the language from here. Then, here's the best part. You can literally choose an image style for you. No need to worry anymore about the image quality. You can simply choose a style from here, and it will make all the images similar with consistent characters. To tell you, these two image styles are going viral on YouTube lately. I myself use this cartoon style for my Shorts channel, so I will simply select this one. Now, when you scroll down, you will have this box to paste your script. That's the best part. You can provide your own script no matter which niche you are in. So, we will just go to ChatGPT, and I will simply ask ChatGPT to provide me with a wisdom-based short story in a single paragraph using only simple and easy English words, avoiding complex and difficult language, and making it engaging so that the viewer remains hooked till the end. Now I will simply generate my story, and here we have the story. Instead of the wisdom-based story, you can write your own niche here, like a history-based story, war-based story, sci-fi story, and so on. I will simply copy and paste it here. That's it. Now you see the settings option. Click on it, and then simply select your voiceover from here. Then you can either make a short video or a long video for your channel. Then simply click on the transcript and then click on Continue, and it will start making your video. It will take a few seconds, and when the video is ready, You can simply select copyright-free background music for your video from here. When everything is done, simply click on Download and download your video. Let's see it.
Once there was a wise old man who lived in a small village one day. A young boy came to him, upset because he had been bullied by other children. The old man gave him a wooden stick and asked him to break it. The boy snapped it easily. Then the old man handed him a bundle of sticks tied together and asked him to break them. The boy tried but couldn't do it. The old man smiled and said,
Let's head to the next feature, Fake Text Message Story. You will shortly understand how amazing and engaging this feature is. Here you can choose the background template. It's basically a fake funny conversation between two people. Now I will simply go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to provide me with a very funny and humorous fake text message story between two people in a total of 12 sentences, and you will have the story. Now here we have a total of 12 sentences. So we will come back and simply click on ADD, right? Then we will add left, then again right, then again left. Keep adding until all 12 blocks are ready. Now I will simply head back to ChatGPT, copy the first sentence, and paste it here. Then I will simply go back and select the second sentence and paste it in the second line, and repeat the same process until all boxes are filled. Then just go to Settings and select the voiceovers. Now you can see there are two options for voiceover, one for the left person and one for the right person. We will first select the right person's voice and then the left person's voice. That's it. Ignore this Riz one. Then simply come back. Don't forget to turn these options on, and then click on Continue. Just like before, it will take a few seconds, and when the video is ready, simply add the background music and then download it. Let's watch it.
Yo, what did you do to my girl? She says you're trying to hit on her.
I didn't do anything. I just said sorry about her cat.
That's not what she says.
Bro, that bitch is crazy.
Yeah, I know. You know what? I'm breaking up with her.
What?
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. Want to watch game on Sunday?
Sure.
Awesome, isn't it? Now let's check out the final feature, quiz question videos. There are literally hundreds of videos on how to make quiz videos, but all of them use a very difficult method to make quiz videos, which is very time-consuming. But in VSub, it's a matter of a click. Now you have two options. You can select the standard template or the multi-level template. For now, I will select the standard. Now simply click on Generate Questions. Now you can select what type of quiz you want to make, like history, geography, or whatever. Then click on OK, and it will automatically do everything for you. Then simply click on Continue, and your video will be ready in a matter of seconds. Let's watch the final results.
Which car manufacturer produces the Mustang? Answer A, Ford. What does SUV stand for in the automotive industry? Answer B, sports utility vehicle.
As you have seen, this level of animation and transitions is very difficult to make if you do it by yourself. If you want to invest some money in your YouTube channel, this AI tool is probably the best. It offers 3 packages. As you can see, with the starter plan, you can make 20 videos per month. With the Pro plan, you can make 40 videos per month. And with the Premium plan, you can make 100 videos per month, which is more than enough to run your YouTube channel. Besides everything, they offer a lifetime plan where you need to pay only $490 just once, and you can keep making videos without ever paying again. But they are providing this offer to 100 members only. Don't miss this golden opportunity. Have a good day.